Okay, now, what is left? The other day I was teaching microwave. The other day I was teaching people what goes into it, right? I drew on the wall over there, right? Yeah. Okay, so now this one will carry the gas. These two, okay. So now this is where the refrigerant means gas. This is where to run. We have different kinds of gas.
110, 220, 110. Also gas in the beer 110. No. 140.
No.
30.
So we have R22. What I say? The other ones become money naturally. Okay, so now you see this one. Now you read that side one. I can't remember. I can't issue any power. Inti power no. Every artist they are found in me. If I can issue, if you ever pipe back, you need say. Ever kwa Michael, you there you know. Not you are outside. How difficult is this? Now, what is the trick? Mommy, pipe no problem. See a trick in you. Eh? In terms of insurance, air conditioner on here. You be insure power ever, but insurance went down. Insurance went down. And they say, and I want this side also, and yet this side, or right hand side. It is a who year insurance, who year pipe work for insurance market in year. And so to me, Bomodiana, who mark insurance, a position and a positioner. You finish it, now you're connected. AC area, you bet me the AC pipe insurance, they are saying you. I'm an idea. So much as you position it here, don't position the pipe here. We are back. Into AC near Fisia, everyone is these are the AC will be. So these two will just enter the distance. What I say? Now you soon end up. What I say? And now say Fisia, everyone concerned, Accra. So we are burning AC. We know AC like I said, pipe be in minutes. It will be never general.
Okay.
So what I say? So that is the truth. Is there any question? Somebody want to ask me a question?